Age-appropriate pedagogies are shaping teaching and learning in the early years of school, now and into the future. The research shows children learn best when they are actively engaged in purposeful learning experiences. The Australian curriculum outlines the knowledge, understanding and skills all young Australians should be taught. Grounded in contemporary research literature, age-appropriate pedagogies support teachers to identify the most effective way to teach curriculum content by providing a conceptual framework to support pedagogical decision-making and reflection. Positioned at the centre of the age-appropriate pedagogies conceptual framework is the child, their interests and capabilities. The teacher is also represented with recognition of their interests, skills, capabilities and philosophies. The three vital and connected components of curriculum, context and evidence of learning situate teacher decision-making within the teaching and learning process. The conceptual framework then outlines the various approaches of age-appropriate pedagogies: inquiry learning, event-based learning, project approach, explicit instruction, play-based learning, direct teaching and instruction, and a blended approach, and the inherent characteristics of age-appropriate pedagogies: active, agentic, collaborative, creative, explicit, language-rich and dialogic, learner-focused, narrative, playful, responsive and scaffolded. A range and balance of approaches and characteristics are required over time. The research literature is very clear that age-appropriate pedagogies are necessary in the early years of school to engage young learners, achieve learning outcomes, and set children up for long-term success. Age-appropriate pedagogies, shaping teaching and learning in the early years of school.